How to disable the camera on Android. This tutorial shows you how to revoke camera access from specific apps on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Apps to open the App Management section. From there, tap the three dots at the top right corner and select Permission Manager. At this point, tap on Camera to see every app that currently has access to your camera. In the next step, find the app you want to restrict and tap on it to open its camera permission settings. Following this, select Don't Allow to completely revoke that app's access to your camera. Once done, go back to the list and repeat the same steps for any other apps you want to restrict camera access from. Finally, keep in mind that revoking camera access from certain apps may affect their functionality. For example, disabling it on WhatsApp means you won't be able to take photos directly inside the app anymore. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable the camera on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.